Hey guys, how's it going? Onion Man here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some new speakers that I bought. The Bose Companion 2, version 3. Let's take a look. Okay guys, so I picked up these new speakers by Bose. They are the Companion 2 Series 3 Bose speakers for your computer. I had a soundbar before that. You guys might have seen that video. I'll put a link in the description for it. It was a monster soundbar with the LED strip underneath. It worked awesome, but I don't have my desk at the same spot I did anymore, so I can't have my TV sound and my computer sound going through it, so I had to pick up some speakers. I went with these. I wanted some that were a little better quality. I know Bose has a pretty good reputation for having good quality, and they were at an affordable price too. They were right around $100, which is not bad for Bose. Usually you're paying at least $250 and up, even to get anywhere close to having Bose. So this was a pretty good deal. So let's open this up, see what's inside here. These speakers are quite a few years old already. They came out in 2013, but I'm gonna guess that they're still pretty good if they're still selling them on the shelves. And I didn't really want to go with really cheap, like $30 Logitech speakers again, even though they do the job just fine. I kind of wanted something that was a little better quality. So, first things first here, we got all our, let's get this box out of the way here and I can show you guys what's all in here. We got our whole setup guide. And all our warranty papers all in this little bundle here. What else we got on top here? Looks like an auxiliary cable. Just the two, just I guess to hook up speaker to speaker maybe, I'm not totally sure. We'll have to read up on that. Now this is going to be a little challenging getting this out of here. Let's take some of this cardboard stuff out of here first. Make it a little bit easier. Oh, look at that. They actually have a little tab right in the middle here. You can just pull it right out. Let's get rid of that box. Now, how to unpackage this. This is actually packaged really tightly together. I'm not sure actually. Give me 1 second here. I'm gonna try to figure out how to open this up. Okay, so I finally figured it out. You just gotta pop this one side, and then it opens up, and then it kind of just unfolds. That's very loud. Okay, let's pull these speakers out of here. Get this junky plastic out of here. Okay, so we also have this little box here. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's take a look. Okay. This is the power cable. It's kind of odd that they would put just a separate box just for the power cable, but I guess if you're paying extra money for the name, might as well get an extra box too, right? I guess. Why not? That's cool. And now the speakers. Speakers are actually a lot bigger than I was expecting. I wasn't expecting them to be this long. Okay, so that's the front of the speaker, the sides. So they just kind of stand up like that, or so you guys can see it kind of like that. And I guess technically you could lay these down too on their side if you didn't have room. I'm gonna try to stand them up. Okay, so on the back here we got Okay, that's kind of cool. There's a cable spots here. Top one is to left speaker. The next one is the power cable, auxiliary in. That's probably for that cable that came with it. And then from computer. So this cable goes to the computer, which you probably can also use that cable for. That came with. Let's open the other one. I think it's gonna be very, very similar. This is not gonna have the power cable on it, which is fine. Yep, the speaker's the same, just doesn't have the volume knob on the front or the little headphone jack. And the back, yeah, it just has the one cable that goes to the other speaker. Okay guys, so that is the Bose Companion 2 Series 3 computer speakers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will put a link down in the description for these if you want to check them out. They're not super new speakers, but I'm going to say that they're probably pretty good quality considering they're still selling them. So this is just a quick unboxing video. Just kind of show you guys these new speakers I got. Hopefully they're good. Leave a comment down below if you guys have these speakers or have used these speakers. I really know nothing about them. They were just a decent price and they have a good reputation for their brand for the most part, so fingers crossed. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.